Morning, beautiful winter's morning today, so all good. We're back here on driftwood build. I'll show you what we're up to in just a second. For anyone who hasn't watched my channel before, we generally do sort of bespoke restoration projects. For anyone who has watched my channel before, you'll know by now I'm not a trained professional. I'm not a super duper carpenter or anything like that. I'm just the same as everyone watching the video. So what I try and do is work with people who are qualified so I can learn stuff as I'm going along. And as with Dern builds like this, we'll have different people coming in to help us, and hopefully we can learn some lessons. So let me show you what we've done today anyway. So as you can see, some of the sheeting started coming off. It's all started being, the professionals have been here stripping the asbestos off. Now it hasn't left us with a lot of really good stable timber. So what we're doing today is we're just pulling out all the old rotten stuff, replacing it with new. We're going to give this all a good coat of wood treatment, and then start boarding. And we board insulation and then a membrane over the top. This front, all down here, we're going to do like a wavy edge board, and then on the roof and the back there's going to have profile sheet tin. Alright, first bit of board's cut. Let's see how this goes on.
Let your end down, Reuben?
No, it needs to go that way. Right. Flush at that. You might be square in the first place. I thought this morning I didn't bring my spirit level, and I thought that probably ain't going to make too much odds, is it?
I wouldn't thought so, mate.
No. Leave it. It's insulate membrane, and I've done that yesterday, but it's all down rigidity. So board's going on, it already starts to look a little bit better. That's giving it that little bit more strength as well. So we'll get this insulated over today, and then membrane just to keep the wet out, and then that's sort of ready for boarding. There's a hell of a lot to do, but we just do little bits and pieces at a time, and the job doesn't become too daunting that way. And you've always got something to work back to as well. Membrane going on just to keep that neat and tidy, waterproof, before we get the boards on. And it might be a week or two before we start boarding this on the outside. We're going to have wavy edge board going across the front. Next major issue is this beam here. This one's quite structural, so, and it's pretty bad, so I'm going to have a little go at getting that out now and replace it with something. So while we're still, I put some stud work up, and just to keep some sort of integrity with the building. So I think while that's up, we might as well take advantage and see if we can actually take this old beam out. Right at the top there's a couple of metal brackets. So although the wood's rotted off in there, I think we can still use them to tie into. So I'm going to cut this out now. Fucking hell, the whole thing's going to come down.
Yeah, 20 inch. There's a 2-part change out. Press roll on there. Oh, that press roll's right. I didn't think it was loaded, the staple just came flying out, hit it straight in the neck.
Nice.
Didn't hurt it though, it was too far away, but still quite funny.
Well, it's in there. Let's get it level. So that's that in there, and now we're going to do this floor plate. Along the back, and we've got something to work off then. Gypsy chisel.
Watch this.
I couldn't carve a mushroom, but I can cut a joint.
See that guy looking. Did he work? You didn't see him, did you? No. He just went over and.
Doubling up on all the roof beams now, so we can get a bit of strength into that as well.
Is that the last one?
Right.
Yeah. Long screw and a long screw. Oh, yeah.
Well, I'll show you the progress today. This has all been boarded, membrane and insulation. So that's cool. We've got all this treated on this end. I'm going to board this up eventually, but this is internal, so that ain't too much bother. put the new backboard in there, foot plate I should say, and cut all the crap out of here, and we've doubled up all the roof joists. So we just got to put some cross members in this, and we can start sheeting that up. That's gone quite well today, and we put that, took that that structural support out and put a new one in there, although I ain't tied that in yet. Good bit of progress today, very impressed. Just getting the place nice and rigid again and solid, and as soon as the rest of the sheets are off, we can just start working our way through the whole building. There's a bit of concrete to do and some other stuff, but all in all it's coming together. So I'll keep you updated with regular videos, and subscribe and all that old rubbish, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.